What's up, everybody? This is the Excel Dude coming at you again. Today we're going to go over conditional formatting. We're going to compare different cells and columns and sheets, as well as side by side. As always, we're going to do it fast and easy, and we're definitely going to take it quick and sleazy. So if you like this stuff, please leave a comment, hit a like, definitely hit that subscribe button. It helps get it out to more people. And we're just moving right on in. So here we've got a standard sales chart. December sales from 2020, January sales 2021. 1 month apart. All we want to do is see where we had more, but we don't want to look at the data. We don't want to take a look here. The data gets updated by someone else, whatever. We just want a quick glance, quick visual, what did better, what did worse. Okay, how do we know? Let's take the one we want to find first, January, and I want to see if this one, the flange, did we make more money here or in December? Same with the gasket, the elbow, 2-inch pipe, 4-inch pipe, 8-inch pipe. Not a problem. Click where we want to see it, Home tab, Conditional Formatting, highlight cell rules. First we'll do greater than. We're going to have to do this twice. Greater than. We click what we want to compare to, right here. And if it's greater than that, we'll make it green. So we just hit the drop-down menu, and okay, we haven't had to type a single thing, no coding, no functions, no formulas. Oh, nothing happened, but that's because this is less than this. We sold more in December. So we hit it the second time, Conditional Formatting, highlight cell rules, less than. We click what we want to compare to, and we want it in red. Okay. And then, instead of doing that for each of these cells, because that would suck, hit Format Painter, drag it on down. Hey, we did worse in these, we did better in these. Cool. And it works the other way as well. We can just go here, but let's take a look at the total. We'll hit Format Painter, and there, yep, we definitely made more here than here. And even if you want to check, you can do something like that, subtract last month's, and so on. And you can get your, you can continue and go through here. But you see the point. Now we're going to look at how to do it between different tabs. So December, we've got the same data here. All I did was take these two, copy them here. So none of the numbers changed. And screenshot and check if you don't believe me. We'll go here, January, and we're going to hit the one we want to see. Again, conditional formatting. We go Home, Conditional Formatting, highlight cell rules, greater than. What do we want to compare to? Right here. Hit the tab, hit the item, and we want it to be green for greater. Okay. Oh, it wasn't greater. So we'll try it again. Conditional formatting, highlight, less than, and we're going to compare it to this one. If it's less, it'll be light fill with, or light red fill with dark red text. I like it. Format Painter, drag it down, click it one more time, and we'll go here. Great. So you can have your own tabs with a bunch of different analytics, whatever you want to try over here, however you want to type it up. And with a quick glance, you just open the spreadsheet, say you're here, oh, hey, Joey, or whatever. How do we do on the January numbers? What was up? Well, we did better on elbows, 2-inch pipe, 4-inch pipe, and 8-inch pipe, and the total. We sold more overall, greater profit. Flanges and gaskets did not do well, though. We sold, let's see, about $6 and change less in flanges, and then we sold, what, 309, 360, or profit anyway. And 156, 97, a lot less in gaskets. Okay, no problem. And that's pretty much it with the conditional formatting, to be honest. There's a lot of stuff you can do with it. You know what? Actually, here's what we'll do. Let's say we wanted to see a top and bottom items, or a set of items. What are our best sellers? So just to, again, further the example, highlight the ones you want to see, and conditional formatting, and we'll go top bottom rules. So we'll go, what are our top 10% of selling items? And there you go. You see, you'll get something like that. Now, it works better if you have hundreds of items, but you can change it up. We'll go here. Maybe we want color scales. And if you go here, there you go. Green for the higher ones, gets more yellow, then more orange, then red for the low ones. So you can do that. In terms of quantity, let's say we want profit per unit. What are our best items to sell? Conditional formatting. I want to see data bars. Let's do that. Okay. Well, the most profit is going to have the most full bar. So there it is. And that, and that, and that. So great. Basically, 4 of the top 6 most profitable items we did better on. Fantastic. And the last one, we'll just do another conditional formatting for an example. Icon sets. This one, not necessarily my favorite, but it works. We can do, let's do, why not the, sure, this. You see, you have a million different options to do this, and the only thing that limits it is really how creative or how much time you want to spend on this. So, if you like that, great. That's conditional formatting in a nutshell. You can do it in between sheets. You can do it next to each other. You can compare. We can also do stuff like, you can make it go both ways. So if you do greater than that, we'll make it green. See, and you can selectively turn it on, off, all those good things. So if you like that, I'd appreciate it. Subscribe, hit that like button, leave a comment if you want to see anything else, and I'll see you next time. Thanks.